AI and art, the future of creativity. Artificial intelligence, AI, is transforming the world of art by pushing the boundaries of creativity and redefining what it means to be an artist. AI systems, like machine learning and neural networks, are capable of generating original artwork, collaborating with humans, and even enhancing traditional art forms. Tools like GANs, generative adversarial networks, are used to create unique and unpredictable visual compositions, blending human intention with machine-generated outputs. Artists like Refik Anadol and AI pioneers like Demis Hassabis have explored how AI can inspire new artistic visions, often combining data, algorithms, and imagery to produce works that were once unimaginable. AI is not replacing artists, but rather augmenting their creative process, allowing them to experiment with new forms of expression. The result is a fusion of human creativity and artificial intelligence that challenges traditional notions of authorship, originality, and the very essence of art itself. As AI continues to evolve, its role in the art world promises to redefine artistic boundaries, inviting us to explore new frontiers in creativity.